This video is we're going to go through steps 12 through 16. We are inserting the pins, the long pins and the short pins into both of the arms. We're going to start with the long pins, and we're going to notice that when we access our large arm, our cantilever, we only have one long pin, not four. We need four of them according to the notes, which is fine, because what's going to happen is we're just going to do the process multiple times to be able to have the four different pins. So I'm gonna go through here, and again I'm doing this 4 different times, long pin, and I'm gonna click it, and I'm just gonna move them so that I don't confuse them with each other. That there, and one more. And I'm gonna do created by me, Cantilever Assembly, long pin, and again, just move it down. That's supposed to go in here, in that space. Click OK. Alright, so first things first, I've already done step 12, which is to insert all 4 pins into my assembly studio. Now, in this case, as they are specifying here, is that my pins do not turn; they're fixed in place. The arms turn around them, or they just need them to hold things in a specific position. So in this case, we are going to use the fastened mate. That's what we are using for this. And again, we need to make sure that we're pairing the right edges with the corresponding edges that we need to pair up. And we need to be careful when we do that. So I'm going to go to my drawing. And to do this part, what I'm going to hide my short arm so that it doesn't cause confusion. And I'm going to hide my end pin. And I'm going to connect this pin right here with that opening right there. So I'm going to click on here, and then I'm going to click Fasten Mate. We were using Revolute Mate before, now we're going to use Fasten Mate. So there we go. Alright, again, I need to make sure I have the right part selected. So I'm going to click this ring right here, and I'm going to, I forgot to do something. I forgot to click the crosshairs. You got to click the crosshairs, okay? And then I'm going to click this, and again, crosshairs, boom, now they're mated. I'm going to do the same thing with this one over here. Again, I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to click Fasten Mate. This is from before, so it's already there. I am going to click on that edge right there, and I'm going to click here. Oh, I forgot. I need to click the crosshairs. Do not forget to click the crosshairs. If you don't click the crosshairs, they won't mate. Click there, boom, fastened. And I have to do the same exact thing 2 more times. Again, to double check that you've mated them correctly, all you gotta do is zoom in and make sure that they're flush with the surface. If they're not done the right way, they will be sticking out, or they will be slightly inward. So just do that again for the remaining 2 pins, and I'll walk you through the short pins.